Hello everyone and welcome to Anita Edu Eat. Today we are going to learn a very important theorem from geometry, the basic proportionality theorem, also called Thales theorem. We will understand its statement and then we will go through the proof. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Given triangle ABC where DE is parallel to BC. To prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Construction. Join B, E and C, D. Draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Proof. In triangle ADE, half into base into height. Half AD is the base and En is the height. This is the first equation. Next, area of triangle BDE. BDE. Again, same formula. Half into base into height. Half base in this triangle base is DB into En. En is the height. This is the second equation. Now divide these two equations. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. So we will get AD upon DB. In triangle ADE, half into base into height. So half, this time base is AE and height is DM. This one is equation number 4. Now, in triangle DEC, half into base is EC and DM is the height. Make it a equation number 5. Now divide equation 4 and 5. Equation 4 is half into AE into DM and equation number 5 is half into EC into DM. Now divide these two equations, we will get AE upon EC. Triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallel line BC and DE. Therefore, area of triangle BDE are equal to area of triangle DEC. Hence, AD upon DE is equal to AE upon EC. Hence, proved.